Very excited about this. I'll share this with you. First, the main idea. How do you start a meeting in a fun way? Unofficial starts. My good friend and founder of Playmeo.com kind of coined this term. The idea is we typically reward people for being late to a meeting. So if a meeting starts at 9 a.m., we typically say, oh, Janet's not here, Bob's not here, Chad never showed up. And so we actually start the meeting at 9:03, and maybe there's even some like chit chat about the weekend, and then we're actually getting into it at 9:10 or 9:07. So the idea of the unofficial start is, how do we start meetings immediately with some level of purposeful engagement? So there are lots of ways to do that, right? If everybody jumps into a Zoom room, you can say at 8:57, you can immediately say, hey, to honor the fact that you're early, just want to throw out a question for you. And you have a question, people are answering it, and the unofficial start goes until about 9:02 a.m. So one of the most common gathering unofficial starts that used to really bother me, so like teleport yourself to a networking event or a conference, you go to a registration table, you check in, and you pick up a name tag that says, hello, my name is blank. That's fine, right? You got a name tag, shares your name. But as I'm trying to rethink this, like, okay, what's a fun, interesting way, maybe a better way to teleport people straight into a good conversation? Because if the idea is to help people connect, I'm not sure that knowing that my name is Chad is like your best, absolute best first entry point into a connection conversation. It might be if you knew what I was interested about, or what I was curious about right now, or what I was passionate about, or a problem I was trying to solve. Like, those would all be entry points. And so if you walked up to me, in some ways, in a meeting, in an event, in a gathering, the idea would be you walked up and a little bubble popped up. And it was like the perfect conversation starter, perfect entry point for a conversation they really cared about, that mattered to them. And so, I invented something. And you can get a digital version of some of this if you click below, but this is the official launch. Here's what I'm looking for. It's the official launch of We Connect name tags. So if you've ever seen these little question cards, this is like the sticker version of that. So imagine you walk into an event and with no effort, connection before content was just built in. So instead of hello, my name is Chad, I have been thinking a lot about blank. And your answer goes here, and in the squiggle underneath it, I don't know if you can see that, it says name. And so in a Sharpie, you can say, I've been thinking a lot about names, and my name is Chad. And so now when you pair up with somebody, in a quick 0.2 second glance, you can say, ooh, that's interesting. Tell me more about what names means to you, Chad. And all of a sudden what that does is teleport somebody into a really good conversation. So super excited to share these. There is 150 of these name tag stickers, all sorts of creative ways to use them. The box has QR code you can scan and get 5 creative activities and exercises. And because I'm reaching out to you, people, my friends who have probably used We Connect cards or read Ask Powerful Questions or used some sort of tool around We and Me, I have a request. And I almost never do this in a YouTube video, but I have a request. Part of the reason I created these is every single person on earth that's searching for the hello, my name is name tag. I'm like, wouldn't it be cool if we could just slide in and create connection before content in all of those events that are happening all around the world. And so specifically, we're launching these just on Amazon. So I have a little bonus or ask and a gift for you. The ask is buy them on Amazon, not on our website. That's weird, unless you're boycotting Amazon for some reason. As a small business, I actually like Amazon. Some things about it, it's a big place. Okay, anyway, buy them on Amazon, and if you leave a review and email us a screenshot of the review, we will send you a free digital pack that you can print name cards or take the files of all of these name tags and drop them. If you're organizing an event, you can make them the lanyard name tags that are printed, and there's a bunch of extra name tag prompts as well in that file, and that is just like a little gift and a thank you. If you choose to buy these and leave an honest Amazon review, it would mean the world. Those silly little 5 golden stars, it turns out, is like the main way someone decides whether this is good or not. So yeah, tell me if it's good or not. Have a blast with them. I'm remarkably excited to launch these and share them with the world, and I hope that every networking event you attend in the future has a better name tag. We Connect name tags, name tag stickers that create conversations that matter.